Welcome to the AI Mank. In the relentless current of innovation, a wave is building an AI tsunami that promises to reshape every facet of our world. But are we truly ready for its impact? Ignore the headlines at your peril, because what you're about to hear isn't just news, it's a blueprint for the future, and a warning for the unprepared. We're cutting through the noise to bring you the 9 crucial shifts you need to understand right now. OpenAI's recos to brace for superintelligent AI. Let's begin with a stark reminder from the architects themselves. OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, have published a detailed set of recommendations to governments and global institutions on how to prepare for superintelligent AI. They believe systems capable of human-level tasks measured in weeks are arriving soon, and that by 2028, AIs could make significant, independent scientific discoveries. Their core concern isn't just about job displacement. It's about the very stability of our global structures when faced with an intelligence that could outpace human consensus. They advocate for a global resilience ecosystem, similar to cybersecurity, to manage AI's potentially catastrophic risks. This isn't theoretical sci-fi anymore, it's a tangible, urgent call to action from the people closest to the fire. It begs the question, if the pioneers themselves are sounding the alarm this loudly, what can't they control? Anthropic's big cost advantage over OpenAI. Speaking of architectural shifts, let's pivot to the brewing battle that could fundamentally alter the economics of AI development. Anthropic, a key rival to OpenAI, is quietly building a significant cost advantage. While OpenAI relies heavily on NVIDIA GPUs and Microsoft Azure, Anthropic is deepening its commitment to Google's custom tensor processing units (TPUs). This move secures vast compute capacity at a superior price-performance ratio. Training cutting-edge models typically costs billions, but Anthropic's efficiency is compounding, leading to forecasts of 75% gross margins by 2028, compared to OpenAI's projected 57%. Why does this matter? Lower training costs mean more accessible AI, more competition, and a faster democratization of powerful models. If the next phase of AI is about delivering the most intelligence per dollar, Anthropic's cheaper chips might just prove its sharpest edge. Could this efficiency be the secret weapon that allows a focused competitor to disrupt the current dominance? SoftBank cuts NVIDIA shares to go all-in on OpenAI. In a move that sent immediate ripples through the financial world, SoftBank, the investment giant, has sold its stake in NVIDIA for $5.8 billion, explicitly to go all-in on OpenAI. This is a bold, strategic pivot. NVIDIA is the undisputed king of AI hardware, the chips that power the revolution. SoftBank's decision to shift capital away from the hardware king to the foundational software innovator signals a massive bet on where the next phase of value creation lies, in the sophisticated models and ecosystems built by OpenAI. This move, coupled with their involvement in the proposed $500 billion project Stargate with Sam Altman and others, indicates that SoftBank believes the focus must move from providing the pickaxes to owning the AI goldmine itself. It's a higher-risk, higher-reward move that cements Chairman Masayoshi Son's aggressive shift toward becoming a global powerhouse in application-driven AI. GPT-5 cracks a full 9x9 Sudoku puzzle from financial strategy. Let's jump to a fascinating demonstration of pure problem-solving power. In recent benchmarks, OpenAI's GPT-5 has demonstrated the ability to solve a complex 9x9 modern Sudoku puzzle, task requiring complex multi-step logical deduction, spatial awareness, and iterative reasoning. This is significant because it goes beyond mere language generation. It hints at an enhanced capacity for sequential and strategic thinking. While it's not perfectly consistent yet, its success suggests a major leap in understanding and applying complex rules within constrained environments. What happens when this level of reasoning is applied to complex scientific problems, medical diagnostics, or high-level coding? The implications for your field are truly mind-bending. Are we on the cusp of AIs that can genuinely think in structured, logical ways previously thought impossible for LLMs? Fei Li's World Labs launches Marble AI Godmother advocates for spatial intelligence, connecting logical reasoning to the physical world. The godmother of AI Fei Li is shifting the focus from language models to world models, with the launch of her company World Labs' first commercial product, Marble. Li, famous for creating the ImageNet dataset that fueled the deep learning revolution, is now advocating for spatial intelligence. Marble is a generative model capable of creating and simulating detailed 3D environments from simple text or image prompts. This technology teaches machines the physics of an environment, how objects exist, interact, and move in three-dimensional space. This ability to simulate and predict is critical for robotics, autonomous navigation, and design. Li argues that if LLMs taught machines to read, world models will teach them to see and build. This signals the next high-value frontier in AI research, moving beyond the two-dimensional screen and into true spatial understanding. It's a crucial pivot for any technologist to track. 11 Labs Celeb AI Voice Licensing Platform. Now, let's address the ethics and commerce of creative AI. 11 Labs has launched its iconic voice marketplace, a consent-based platform for licensing AI-generated voices of famous people. This is a critical step in professionalizing AI voice cloning. Instead of asking, "Can we clone this voice?" the industry is now asking, "Under what terms may we use it?" The platform connects companies directly with rights holders, including actors like Matthew McConaughey and Michael Caine, to license their unique vocal likeness for ads, narration, and content. This reframes the voice from a performance to a perpetual asset, providing performers with a controlled, ethical revenue stream. The ability to use a global icon's voice legally and ethically in a localized campaign, perhaps translated into Hindi or German, is a game-changer for international content creators and signals a new standard for ethical AI content. DeepMind Sima to agent can play any game. Let's look at the ultimate goal of general intelligence. Google DeepMind has unveiled Sima 2, a new AI agent powered by Gemini that is moving closer to being a generalist AI capable of learning and playing any 3D game. Sima 2, the scalable, instructable multi-world agent, can follow human instructions, reason, and teach itself new skills in virtual worlds it has never encountered. This is not about mastering one game. It's about generalized learning, the ability to understand rules, objectives, and adapt across wildly different virtual environments. It's showing significant performance gains in completing tasks in unseen games. If an AI can learn to navigate and adapt to any game, what other complex dynamic systems, from robotics control to complex industrial simulation, can it learn to master on the fly? This is a foundational step towards artificial general intelligence, AI, and its full potential remains a massive unknown. Meta's chief AI scientist plans to exit in a significant corporate shakeup. Yann LeCun, Meta's longtime chief AI scientist and a Turing Award winner, is reportedly planning to leave the company to launch his own independent AI venture. LeCun is one of the foundational figures of deep learning, but he has become a noted skeptic of the current large language model (LLM) dominant path to superintelligence, favoring approaches based on world models and self-supervised learning. His departure comes amidst Meta's internal strategic pivot, where he now reports to the head of a new commercialization-focused superintelligence division. This move underscores the deep tensions within big tech, the conflict between visionary, long-term scientific research and the immense immediate commercial pressure to productize AI. This departure isn't just an HR headline. It's a barometer for the strategic shifts occurring at the highest levels of the industry, and it may well signal the next wave of independent AI innovation. OpenAI's GPT 5.1, with new personality presets. Finally, let's bring it back to the user experience. OpenAI has rolled out GPT 5.1, featuring new personality presets and fine-tuned control over the AI's style. Users can now instantly select from modes like professional, friendly, efficient, or quirky, and even adjust the warmth or conciseness of the AI's responses. This signals a shift toward making AI not just smarter, but more adaptable and enjoyable to interact with. It moves away from the one-size-fits-all AI voice and towards a personalized assistant that fits your specific context. Whether you need a terse, professional summary or a warm, engaging explanation. This focus on personality and adaptive style is key to making AI a truly ubiquitous, personalized utility. The intelligence is there, but now, the focus is on emotional intelligence and user delight, a silent but monumental change in how we work with AI every day. Conclusion and call to action. From the urgent warnings of superintelligence to the quiet revolution of personalized models. From financial battles to breakthroughs in generalized learning, the AI world is not just evolving. It's accelerating at an unprecedented pace. The stakes have never been higher, and the potential for disruption has never been greater. The question isn't whether AI will impact your career, your investments, or your life. It's how quickly you will adapt to its profound influence. Will you be a passive observer or an active participant shaping your destiny in this new era? We've covered 9 monumental shifts. Which of these developments do you find most exciting or most concerning? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the AI Deep Dive for more crucial insights. The AI tsunami is upon us. Stay informed, stay ahead.